What is out there that a woman can't do? I'll wait.
You're so obsessed with me. Keep it on the low. It's clear that you're upset with me. Please don't let it show.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's Yall Kitty. I want y'all to be the baddies. I think I'm gonna call y'all the baddies. So, because my nail girls are baddies. So, yeah. And today I'm in my new suite. Well, it's my new guest suite, and I'm decorating and preparing the room for my other baddies to come and book if they're tired of like working from home, if they don't have their own suite already, stuff like that. So I kind of have some stuff already up here put together, so I'm gonna show y'all that. Right now I'm just about to put up the curtain. I'm waiting on, I have some more posters like the ones that you see behind me. I ordered from TEMU that are gonna go on this blank wall that you guys also see behind me, so that we can just fill the room up with stuff and, you know, cute decor and vibes and all that good stuff. But we are about to hang this curtain up because it's been really hot outside. For y'all who don't know, I live in Washington, DC, and we have gotten some really hot weather over the course of the summer. It is currently July 29th today, about 3:20, and the weather is about 90 degrees. So it's pretty hot in here. I have like a fan going on. Y'all probably might hear in the background, but yeah. So when you first come in, you'll see the chairs and the rug that I have. To the right of you are the pictures that I showed you guys. Sorry about the camera quality. I'm using my phone, so you come in, there's chairs. My curtain is just hanging in the ceiling right now because I wanted to see how it looked in the room. But I have the curtain rod and like some sticky hooks over there. So we're about to see how that works out today. That is like a little cart that I got from one of my friends. She was trying to throw it away, but I got it before she got rid of it. That's the little fan, works really nice, really good. It's like really slow on camera. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but I have let me get closer. Have some candies, some games, over here, some cleaner on the floor, a nice poster. We have some decor over here. I didn't show you guys the mirror. Hey! So we have some cute decor on the walls, you know? And it looks really cute at nighttime because this lights up. Yeah, that lights up. So that looks really good. That's really it for now. I'll let you guys see me put this curtain up. We're gonna see how great of a rod it is, how great of hooks these are. These are actually adhesive hooks, so I can stick them to the window and hang the rod. That's what we're trying to do today. So yeah, I bought one from Target, but the window and the wall shape is wonky, so I had to take that back and order another one. Blah 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 blah. I'm just rambling, so I'm gonna let y'all watch me work. And yeah, so while I'm opening this, I want to also give y'all like a life update. I really feel like I have been so MIA. Like my content is backed up for Instagram, TikTok. I try to stay on TikTok, but sometimes I be messing up on there too and get inconsistent. But like I really have a lot going on. I am going back to school. Starting in the fall semester, I will be attending a college for a dental assistant program, and I'm very excited actually to get that started. So I've been trying to get into school, get my suites together. I have suites if you guys or anyone that you know that lives in the DC DMV area. I have suites for my ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking for like tattoo artists, barbers, waxers, estheticians. I'm looking for all sorts of people, piercers. I'm looking for all sorts of folks. So if you know someone that lives in the Oxon Hill area in the DMV, definitely hit me up. I have suites for sale, and I also have a guest suite rented out per hour or per day. So yeah, this is the curtain rod from Amazon. I think it was about $13, and I think the hooks were like $10 or $11. So yeah, that's for all that. I'm about to open this, see what it's giving. Nice, plain, simple, just a regular tension rod. So this should be good because the window measurements is also pretty wonky too. But that's basically the update on me. I'm trying to stay afloat and alive, but you know, life be lifing, and sometimes we just gotta catch up. So I know it's been a while since I've seen y'all, but trust me, I'm about to start vlogging more because I have a lot of like content to be posting. I really do have a lot of content that I could be posting. These are the hooks that I'm gonna be using. So it has the sticky foam on the back, but I believe that you can also screw it in just for a little bit of security. Just for a little bit of security. So we're about to see what that's going to do. I feel like Alexis Rebecca. If y'all don't watch her channel, y'all need to go watch her channel. She's like that girl. I love her so much. But she's always trying stuff. Sometimes it fails, sometimes it doesn't. But I really feel like her with this. I really feel like her with this this project, this do-it-yourself type of thing that I'm trying to do. So we're about to give it a go. We're about to give it a shot, because what is out there that a woman can't do? I'll wait. Exactly. Then we can do it better than men. But I mean, that's tea for another day. Okay? So I really do think it's gonna work, guys, because this is like small but big enough to fit. This little part is like small, big enough to fit on the window, and the rod fits in here perfectly, both in the flat part and the skinny part down here. So we love it there. And then I hope and pray that this sticky is real sticky. We just don't have time for failure. We don't have to, we had enough of that. We need success, okay? We in business, okay? We in business. Yo, I'm hot as a mug. I'm sweating like a bug. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm hot. Issue. I should only put 2. Because now we got an issue with the cameras bumping into the hook. So we gotta take the middle hook down and only leave the 2 ends. So that's what we're doing right now. Now I'm gonna put this middle one right in between the 2 panels. It worked, it worked, it worked. Okay, let me show you now. So this is the final product. It worked. Excuse the shadows behind it. It's like some window tint that was on there that didn't really come off all the way, so it looked like nasty like that. But don't even pay no mind for real. The pom-pom curtains are so cute, okay? They're so pretty in here. And it's more shady in here. It's gonna help keep it cool in here now, okay? So yes, I'm just so happy about that. And of course, like I said, it's almost 100 degrees outside. And being that I was standing at the window putting up curtains, like the heat is right on me. So so yeah, I'm just so glad that that's up there and that's working good now. I'm gonna keep those hooks for future reference. I'll probably keep doing this for the next few days so that I can catch up with the algorithm, because my videos are like getting left behind. I try to post every day some content about what's going on in life, doing nails, DIY projects, all this good stuff. This is the wall that I'm gonna add more pictures to. So that's probably the final touch. I'm gonna do another carpet, because I didn't realize when I ordered that it was gonna be that small. So I'm probably gonna grab like another carpet. I don't know if I wanna order another one of those, maybe like 2 more of those, or if I wanna get just another one to put right here in front, like a nice shaggy one. And I'm gonna have like some nice pink posters. I ordered them from TEMU. So I ordered them from TEMU. So I ordered a lot of these decorations and that rug. A lot of this stuff I got from TEMU, but I ordered, again, a separate shipment for just the posters that I wanted. TEMU sent me a notification, a text message saying that they had been delivered, and they were not. I was looking for like 2 days, because sometimes like the mail people will, like, I guess maybe accidentally say they delivered it before it's actually been delivered. So I'll give it to like the next day. You know, that's happened to me before. But this specific time, I waited about 2 to 3 days and there was nothing. So I ordered a reshipment, which really sucks because it takes me like a week to get those shipments. And I'm trying to be done by August 1st. I'm trying to be done with this guest suite so that I can have my ladies come in working, whatever. Everybody likes my shoes, guys. I got some new shoes for my birthday. Josh bought them for me and they're so cute. They're off-whites. Let me show y'all. They're so cute. They're off-whites. Like canvas shoes. He always picks like the best shoes for me. I don't know how. He like literally always picks the best shoes for me. Like, can you just be like my shoe shopper? Is that okay? When it comes to having a male stylist, it's personally something that I enjoy. I like for my man to pick out my shoes. I like for him to pick out things that he would like to see me in. And he has swag, he has style. Like, so I don't want to just be picking random stuff. He's gonna actually, you know, like yeah, I think she'll look good in these. I want to see her in these, like, you know. I can give y'all a tour, but these are my suites that I'm renting out. It's really cute. I got plenty of rooms left. These two are my two of my biggest rooms. This is like available to be like a shared space. It's really big, really spacious. Has a black accent wall with lots of space for like pictures, wall mounting, TV mounting, all that good stuff. 2 people could share this suite. This is also a pretty spacious suite. Can be shared or can be can be used for personal business. I have another suite over here that I want to show y'all. That's really nice. So this suite is actually painted pink. It already has some shelving, has its own window, and it has its own, like, you can put a chair, a waiting ottoman area, whatever you want to put here. I had someone in this room, but she ended up leaving, so it's open for vacancy now, and it's nice and spacious and pretty in here, so yeah. That's the front door. Gotta keep that door closed, mama, closed. Excuse the trash, gotta take that out later. And here's our restroom. We actually have two, but there's music going on the other side, so we're gonna avoid that for now. I'll show you guys the second bathroom at a later time. We have a waiting area here. That's my suite over there, where I do nails and things. And then we have a kitchen. So it's pretty spacious in here, pretty nice winter space. You have a grass floor backdrop. Over on this side, I'll probably get some seating for these. Over here, some seating, waiting area seats right there. And then we have number 7, which is also available, and it's for personal use. It's a nice, cozy suite, so I would definitely use this for just myself. It's really nice, really cozy in here. Let me show y'all my suite now, because of course I got the best one. It wouldn't be me if I didn't, would it? Let's go. Ooh, look at my space, looking all pretty. So this is my suite. Pedicure, chair, refrigerator, microwave, waxes for brows. I have a brand new desk and rug and chairs for my nail activities. And my girl does lashes on this side, so she has upgraded her bed, her light, her storage card. She's done some upgrades as well. Deluxe Lash Beauty Bar, come see her. The TV over here, plant and greenery, mirror, full body mirror. We have candy refreshments for anyone that would like. They go ham on the candy, so it's looking low already, but usually it's pretty full. Snack cart over in the corner. And then we keep us some cold waters on that because it's too hot not to. We gotta keep cold water, so yeah.
You're so obsessed with me.